Hey there homeowners, my name is Bobby Johnson. Today we've got something exciting to discuss, the Daikin DM96VC Gas Furnace. I know furnaces might not be the most thrilling topic, but trust me, this one's worth your attention. Let's dive right in. Meet the Daikin DM96VC, a powerhouse for keeping your home cozy and warm, especially during those chilly months. What sets this furnace apart? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, check out this variable speed blower motor. It's like having a conductor for your home's comfort orchestra, ensuring consistent airflow and temperature control. Plus, with the multi-speed ECM motor, you're looking at serious energy savings without sacrificing performance. And let's talk durability. This bad boy comes equipped with a stainless steel tubular primary heat exchanger. Translation, it's built to last, folks. No need to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty, the efficiency. The Daikin DM96VC boasts an impressive AFUE rating of up to 96%. What does that mean for you? Lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. A win-win. So, who is this furnace perfect for? Whether you've got a cozy bungalow or a sprawling estate, the Daikin DM96VC has got you covered. And it doesn't matter if you're battling freezing winters or enjoying some of the milder climates. This furnace can handle it all like a champ. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how much is this going to set me back? Well, that's the best part. The price ranges are competitive considering all the features and benefits you're getting here. Prices typically range from $16,000 to $19,000 for the complete HVAC system, which does include the air conditioner. But remember, the exact cost can vary depending on factors like your home size and installation requirements. Don't just take my word for it. Contact your local HVAC provider for the details. And there you have it, folks, the lowdown on the Daikin DM96VC Gas Furnace. Look no further if you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and downright impressive heating solution. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, at Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical, we've got you covered.